Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for joining us. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I do want you to join the channel. Yes, subscribe to the channel, and you would really love it. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Kojie Sand Skin Lightening Soap, and it is a very popular soap. So this is the soap I'm currently using, and it is especially good for if peradventure maybe you have hyperpigmentation or you have dark spots. Or maybe you are suffering from a bit of some melasma due to pregnancy, or you've just been spending quite a while in the sun, enjoying the sun during the summer, and you've just got a little tanned, yeah, just got a little darker. So believe you me, this soap is very, very good to help. Now, this soap, I'm just going to move closer, so just bring it closer so that you can see. It says zero pigment light Kojie Sand skin lightening soap. It says this is a classic for a lighter and even tone. Yes, it is really for a lighter and even tone. I just want to just move closer so that you can see what are the ingredients. It's made with coconut oil, water, sodium hydroxide, some fragrance, kojic acid, glycerine, and a host of other fantastic benefits. So what exactly does it say it would do? So it says it's a unique skin lightening delivery system that effectively bonds the potent active ingredients to ensure that it is absorbed by and activated in your skin and areas where it is most needed. The most powerful mode of action zeroes in on dark spots, age spots, scars, melasma, and hyperpigmentation, giving you a lighter and even tone. And it says it will do that in 7 days. Well, I don't know, I can't say in 7 days, but it does work. But as with every soap, I think you should be looking at least give it some time, give it like maybe 2 weeks at least, before you actually, have to, say whether or not it's working for you. But before you start, if you are going to use this, remember to always do a patch test. Do a patch test to see so that you don't get a reaction. But it's a very good soap, believe me, it has really, really helped me. And so what I wanted to do is just show you what it looks like. First of all, you have to be very, very careful about where you get your Kojie Sand soap, because there are lots of fake out there, lots of fake, believe you me. So you need to make sure that you're getting it from a reputable supplier. So I'm just going to open it, and I just want you to see how it looks. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. And so it comes in like a plastic wrap. It has Kojie Sand written on it, and also on the soap itself it has Kojie Sand written on it. So what I do, so first of all, I'm going to tell you that this soap, it melts a lot. So if you just leave it in your bathroom like that, you're not going to be getting good value for your money. So what I do is I open this up and I cut them into small cubes, just something like this. So I have another one. So that's what I do. I cut them into small cubes, and so I just use a cube. And when I finish with one cube, then I go to the next one, just like that. So just cut them in cubes and get a Ziploc bag, or any bag like that. I just got this bags from IKEA, just a normal like bag that you can seal, right? So when you want to use it, you just take one cube. Now, what are the best ways to use this Kojie Sand soap? I'm going to tell you how it has worked for me. Now, first of all, I only use this on my face, but I'm going to tell you how you can use it on your body to also get effective results in case you're suffering from back acne, or you're suffering from body acne, you can also use it. It also helps. So first of all, I use this every day, and I use it only in the night. So I use it only in the night, and I use it every day. So what I do is, when I'm about to have my bath, I actually use this to use this for double cleansing. So you know the double cleansing method in skincare, that is, you cleanse your face twice, especially if you have had you've had makeup on during the day. And so just normally, so what do? Just wet your face, then get the soap, lather it on your hand, and use the lather on your face. Don't let it sit just in circular motions all over your face. Just wash your face normally, and that's it. Do that twice, and that's it. Don't let it sit. Now, so that's one way if you want to use it every day. So if you want to use it every day, just make sure that you only use it in the night, and just use the lather on your face, and that's it. Now, you would find some people that say that maybe they only use it like 3 times a week because it can be a bit drying. And yeah, so if they use it 3 times a week, yes. And some of them, they'll say leave it on your face for like a minute or two. I personally don't do that, because when I did that, my skin really got dry. So the best way for me to use this has been to just use it normally. Just wash your face like that, and that's it. Now, in case you want to use this on your body, because it is very dry, it can be quite drying. It's essential that, of course, you follow up with a good moisturizer. But if peradventure, maybe you're not really, too good at, moisturizing your whole body after your bath, what I would suggest is this. After using this soap, go in with this. This is the Dove Caring Caring Bath Indulgent Cream. So after using this to like take your shower first, when you rinse off, now use this Dove shower gel. We all know how great Dove is. Dove is actually made with 1/4 moisturizing cream, so it's actually very good. So if you're going to use it on your body, I would suggest after using this, just make sure you go in with this Dove cream bath, and you'll get fantastic results. So yeah, I have got fantastic results just using this on my face, using it in the evenings and after, just making sure I moisturize, and it has really helped me. It has been very good. And yeah, so I'll just say give it some time. As with every product, give it some time and you will see good results on your face. And if you have been using Kojie-san, and you want to share your experience, share how you've been using it and it has really been great, kindly drop a comment. Drop a comment for me down below, and hey, let's share knowledge, and it will be exciting to hear from you. So thank you very much. I'm very grateful. I would love you to subscribe, to like this video, and to also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. I'm actually doing a skincare series, and I have been reviewing quite a number of soaps. So check out the other soaps. I've done a review on the Eva Moringa soap. That's also very good. I've also done a review on the Hawaii Gold Premium soap, and quite a number of skincare products. So do stick around, look on the channel, and I'm sure you will see loads of content that you will love. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Cheers. Bye.